Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can simply add Amazon reviews for your HTML website. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below in the description and click on the link. When you're gonna do it, you'll get on this site called L-Site. L-Site is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is Amazon reviews. Let's click sign up for free. And when you have it, you want to sign up with the Gmail or Facebook or normal mail. It's really up to you which one you choose. And when you're gonna have it, you want to click here on login. So when you're here in L-Site, you want to write Amazon and just click Amazon reviews. Now you have option which one you want to choose. Carousel, reviews widget. I really like this one here. I think this is like the best one. And let's continue with the template. Now when we have it, just paste Amazon URL here and you'll be good to go. Then you get like layout here. You can change it from list to masonry to grid to whatever. Review, classic, okay. So now when you have it, you want to click on save. But right when you click save, you need to choose what you like. So if you're only starting out, go with the normal version, like the light one. But if you're gonna have like 5,000, 10,000 views, 15,000, you know what you have to choose. You need to go with the pro version. So when you have the code here, what you want to do is just go to your site and add it to your HTML. And now right here, click save, preview. And here you got it. Really perfect Amazon review. Love it. So this is how you do it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, thank you everybody. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.